I am determined to have a timeless intro that when you hear it, you know it's your girl. Change is inevitable. Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Imani. If you are new here, what's up, what's poppin'? If you are not, hey friend. So it has been a long week for me. Honestly, week and a half, I should say. As you can hear, my kids are at home. They've been home since Friday afternoon at 12:45 because they got let out early. Then they had a 3-day weekend for a student holiday, whatever that is. And also an ice storm came in. So it's completely frozen. So they were supposed to go back to school today, but they're here at home with me.
Bombastic side eye.
I'm essentially using today as my Sunday reset. I know you're thinking, why didn't you just Sunday reset on Sunday? Girl, I'm on blood pressure medicine at 27.
Huh?
And I've been in and out of the hospital. I'm not even gonna stress y'all with the levels that I had. 188 over 105. And the crazy thing is, you would think, oh, she probably doesn't eat well. That's not the case at all. It's not food. It's them kids, but it's also me. I would say, honestly, I'm more than likely 70% of my own stress because I have such high expectations for myself. Isn't it great to be so heavily goal-minded? But I digress. So I did my morning routine with showering and stuff, and I feel so much better. I just took my medicine. Now for my house. I got trash back there that needs to go out. I need to sweep. I need to mop. My house is in disarray. I thank God for my mom that she came by to help with the kids. Not so much as the cleaning, but that's okay. That's okay. I like to do it myself anyway because it helps me decompress. So realistically, what I'm about to do is clean my kitchen, sweep my floors. I need to mop, open up some more blinds, and I need to do laundry. I do have classwork to do. These Mondays keep messing me up because I have class on Mondays, but it's at the time that I tend to wind down my kids for the evening. So I got some work to get up on. So without procrastinating, because I don't want the day to get me by, I'm gonna go ahead and get started ASAP. Okay, now that I have my kitchen cleaned, I'm gonna take a quick break because I haven't eaten anything yet, but I still gotta go deal with that dog. So honestly, I'm probably gonna deal with him first before I go eat because I can't have food in my stomach and then go do what I'm about to do in there. It's gonna make me sick to my stomach. So I might go out and get the kids something to eat just because it's time to go grocery shopping and we don't got much of nothing in here right now. And well, we don't got much of nothing that they gonna eat. Let me be clear. And I'd rather just go ahead and have something that I know they're gonna eat right away. So, but I'm happy I got this done. That's one thing I cannot stand is a junky house, and it bothers my mental when there's clutter and mess around me. And I feel like your home directly reflects what your mental space is and your health. And my stuff was all over the place. So now that we have majority of it together, I can relax knowing that, okay, everything's good to go. It looks like the ice is melting outside. It's still freezing. It's still freezing, so I doubt I'm gonna take the kids out because it's way too cold. So I'm banking on them being able to go to school tomorrow because I need them to go to school. But other than that, I'm glad I got this done. I'm feeling a little better. I'm not gonna do too much because I don't want to relapse myself with my blood pressure. But I'm good for now. I took my medication. I need to eat. Probably gonna make me some tea after I finish with this dog. Finally taking a break. I had to move my office chair into my room because I didn't want to go sit in my office. It's really dark in there. I want to change the lighting. And actually, now that I put my office chair right here, I think I might actually go ahead and get a chair to put in the corner of this room because I really like this. So just a few things, just a few FYIs. I am coming back to YouTube full time and I'll be posting daily vlogs. Every time I try to focus on another platform, I find myself always coming back here because I just love it here. As far as lives, I know you all love my lives. I love them too, especially being able to chat in real time. However, with my current lifestyle right now, it is not conducive for me. It's actually way easier for me to record and upload. There's stuff that I want to do, and I only have a certain allotted time because I am a stay-at-home mom, and my youngest two get out of school earlier than regular grade levels because they're in pre-K 3 and pre-K 4 right now. So they don't stay the full time in school. So I only have a handful, a literally handful of hours to work with. But I am now doing what I like to do, how I like to do it, when I like to do it without pressure. That is it. That is all. But back to my whole Sunday reset thing. I got majority of what I wanted to get done for the afternoon portion of the day. It's time to get the kids some food, me some food, and I'm gonna save my homework and laundry for later on. I said I was gonna make tea, but instead I got a big old thing of water. It's my towel cup. I love this cup. It's green. It's my favorite color. Hold on, y'all. Exactly what I mean by I only have a certain allotted time. Anyway, we will come back after lunch. Okay, so we did not eat out at all. I didn't want to go get that food. I just felt like we're not doing that. I just talked about health. We're not doing that. So instead, I gave them like a little snack to hold them over. Plus, I need them to eat. So I kind of stretched it a little thin so that way when I put this food in front of them, they will eat it down. I decided to make KFC bowls. I feel like it'll be really good. Nana's in here watching TV with her naked Barbie dolls. So let me go ahead and get to it because it's already 6:04 and it's probably already going to take me about a smooth 35 minutes. And then afterwards, I'm going to get them in the bath, get their rooms clean, and get their stuff ready for school tomorrow. And then I think I'm going to have my tea to conclude the night. I'm grateful for the messes, for the loud laughter, the sleepovers in my room, the dramatic personalities that fill this space.
I'm grateful for the house that became a home, for a love that turned into a union, and that union turning into a family. It's so easy to become stressed by life's daily events, and while the stress that comes from the fruit I've borne can be overwhelming at times, I'm also overwhelmed with joy. Joy from the security I see in my children, from watching them flourish in love, surrounded by safety, comfort, and a place they can call home. I choose to no longer allow stress to consume me. I choose to take control and appreciate what I already have. I choose to stop fixating on what I want or what I don't have in this moment and instead focus on what is present. My needs are met, my cup is full, my heart is full. Truthfully, I already have everything I want. Anything else is simply an addition. The choice is clear now. I choose peace because this is what I truly prayed for all my life, and I'm grateful I got it.
I got my tea. It is currently 9:36. I have one asleep, two still up. I'm just glad that I was able to actually get up today. For being down for a week and a half has sucked. And then the weather doesn't help because of cabin fever, and then my kids having cabin fever because they were also here to see everything. It really sucks. So I am grateful, truly grateful, to have been able to get up, clean my house, cook, do what it is I need to do to be able to reset and prepare them to go back to school so that everything is just comfortable for them. Tomorrow should be easy for me. I'm gonna try to go to the gym. What they say, to try is to fail. I'm going to go to the gym just to get my blood flowing again and to get my body used to working out again. But all in all, like I said, I am thoroughly happy, thoroughly grateful that I was able to get through today. So now I'm going to go relax, go check my Blackboard to see if I have any homework, catch up if I do, and then I'm going to lay in my bed and probably play Sudoku until I fall asleep. Thank you so much for hanging with me today, guys, and I will see you in tomorrow's vlog.